Stop using bullet points and try this one. Just using animations and icons, which is level up the slide. Stay with me to go through this tutorial step by step. Part 1. Creating a column with cubes. First, from the Insert tab, Shapes, insert a cube. Next, right here, adjust its size and diameters using this yellow handle. Hold Ctrl, Shift, and then drag it upward. Adjust its size. Do the same process for other cubes and organize them to become a column. Now select all of them and head to the Format Shape tab, remove their outlines and click this little arrow. But before getting through it, put them exactly on top of each other, like this. Now you can change its color to gradient from right side menu. Choose this one from preset gradients. I'd prefer to delete these two spots, then set different colors for each spot or change their brightness. From top to bottom, light to dark. Now select all the cubes and from Effect tab, choose Shadow, then increase blur, transparency, and distance. After that, you can group them using Ctrl+G to easily resize them. And then ungroup them simply pressing Ctrl+Shift and G. While your column is ready, let's jump to the next part. Part 2. Adding animation to column. Select cubes, except this one, and give them animations from Animation tab, Motion Paths, then choose Lines. Then from Effect option, select Upward and fix their ended location like this for all of them. Then open Animation pane, select all the animations and set them to start with previous. Part 3. Adding text and their animations. Now I insert 5 pre-made text boxes. Select all of them, then in Animation tab, in Transport, choose Flying. Then change the animation direction from this part and set them to start after previous. Then increase their duration. As you can see, the text boxes should be behind the column. So, right-click on them and send them back. Again, play the animation to see if it has any problem. It's better than before, but I like to cover this part by hiding texts with a rectangle from Insert tab. Draw it here. Remove its outline and fill it with a background color. After that, right-click on it and send it back. Then select texts and again send them back. Now everything is great, but it could be more attractive. Part 4. Bounce and and recursive animations. Select all the animations. In Animation pane, click this little arrow and choose Effect option. Then increase the bounce end and smooth start. And then click OK. And that's it. You've created an awesome bullet point animation effect in PowerPoint. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with more PowerPoint design tips and tricks. Share this video for your friend and let me know in the comments what other PowerPoint tutorials you'd love to see next week's next trick.